Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2019 Kia Soul. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.